It's your word against mine. And it's your bullet in his leg and his bullet in my shoulder.
Miranda, you made an attempt on an agent's life, and
The weapon that was used, one exactly like it, is sitting in David Mullins' arsenal.
who you think you're talking to? I am a trained agent, not a programmed one. I can think for myself. Ballistics will show, however, that the weapon was not fired.
Good luck finding the one that was.
You know, you operated a lot from Port Royal, but we could never seem to pick you up on any of our surveillances. I wonder why.
You're a trained agent. Figure it out.
Lime Key is what? 20 minutes away? Too close. Pleasure Key, however, is like 45 minutes away. Shark infested. That you would take a chance with. Is that where the weapons are buried?
Getting warm, Agent B.
You like to play this the hard way, right?
Like you, I'm also a trained agent. And I know a thing or two about jurisdiction. Even though I'm in your country, I am the property of the South American Agency. So have fun now. I'll be walking out that door soon.
How about now?
What?
How about walking through the door now? There it is. That glint of fear. You can't just walk through the door, don't it?
We'll see, Miss Brissett. We'll see.
You've been in this holding space for a couple of days now. No handcuffs, doors not locked. So if you wanted to leave, you could have.
You think you know what's going on here, don't you?
Maybe, just not all the details. I have an idea. The so-called assignment that you came here on, you were actively involved in it. Not true. And the biggest part is that it was personal.
It's never personal. It's always work.
No, Miranda. This one is personal. If it wasn't personal, you would have been in and out of Jamaica. And we wouldn't even know that you were here.
Yes, I would have been.
What was your exact assignment, Miranda?
To bring Tony Esperanza to justice and to make sure that he wasn't killed by your local authorities.
And because of your cousin, you tried to save him.
And your friend and your ex-lover took care of that. So you believe that you're the only one with information? Is that why you saved him? You're still in love with him? Even though he's in love with a younger, more vibrant version of yourself?
I see what you're trying to do here.
Do you? I guess you're always in so deep that you always have to try to save them, right?
Everyone deserves a chance if they show that they want to be reformed.
No bubbles. Some people will show that they want to be reformed only when there's a gun to their head. You see, once you remove the gun there, them just go back to being themselves, them real self.